Guys, I'm building a castle for myself in Minecraft. Some of that. My dog in real life is barking, but not in the house. What are you looking at? Sorry guys. That villager was looking at me horribly. Oh my god. There we go. I'll break up this. Stop making those sounds. I'm gonna hit you again. There we go. That guy shouldn't make any sounds. Oh no. Oh no! This guy is gonna be in danger. Bruh. That's serious. Oh, what are you talking about? That ladder? It leads to this. I forgot to place a ladder there. No rotten flesh allowed.
Baloys, sabi ko kay Jeff, sundin ka dyan sa dilaan sa taas. Kasi para sigurado siya makasalubong.
Guys,
diba?
I'm just whistling.
Kasi magdyan.
Whistling. Yeah, whistling. Huh? Okay. Bye, guys.